G'day everybody, welcome to 2026. Just wanted to touch base quickly on this year's regulations and the changes that are in them. All right, now the new regulations for the XL X3 published on the 1st of 2026. So if you log on to Motorsport Australia, look under the 3 regulations, you'll find them. So there's only one change, as I just mentioned, and that one change is mounting a bracket to your brake bias adjuster. All right, so very important. We've touched base on this before. There's been a few issues with braking pipes, bits and pieces like that, which is quite dangerous. So what we have made and developed previously last year was a bracket, which is this one here. Now it's a universal bracket. It fits our brake bias kit that we make, and it also fits another brake bias kit that's out on the market as well. It's universal. Now, if you don't have one of either of those kits and you've done something DIY yourself, that's fine. You just must make sure there is a bracket mounted to it to support it and stop it from moving, all right? Now, one very important thing that I just want to point out is that when you're mounting it, it's very important that you mount it to the brake booster and master cylinder assembly, okay? The reason I say this is that if you mount this, say, to the strut tower here, there is actually a lot of flex between the firewall and the master cylinder. So if you basically start the car and get someone to sit in there and push the brake pedal as hard as they can, you'll actually see this flexing. So if you mount that to here, you're now going to put flex on those pipes, okay? Which defeats the whole purpose of putting a bracket on there to make it, you know, more sturdy. So please just pay attention to that if you're going to do one yourself. But if not, as I said, these brackets are available online. They come with the bolt and everything with it. I mean, you could also modify it if you needed to, you know, to make it fit whatever you've got. So any questions with it, please don't hesitate, reach out to us. We're obviously here to help. In the rules, in the regulations at the moment, on page 8, it'll be written in there in the little blue section, all right? And also on page 19, I think it is, there's actually an illustration of it as well, of what the requirements are. So again, any questions regarding this, and it is a safety concern, as we've mentioned. So yeah, you know where we are, reach out.